Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. So our today's topic is how to set up TP-Link Archer BE400 BE6500 dual band Wi-Fi 7. If your Wi-Fi router provides wireless internet access for multiple devices like phones, laptops, and smart TV, then this TP-Link Archer BE400 BE6500 dual band Wi-Fi 7 setup is the one of the best. A TP-Link Wi-Fi router is a device that connects to your modem and provides wireless internet access for multiple devices. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. Firstly, we will unbox the TP-Link router box. The TP-Link Archer BE400 router box usually includes the Archer BE400 Wi-Fi 7 router, a power adapter, and an Ethernet LAN cable. You also get a quick installation guide for easy setup. Everything you need to start using the router comes neatly packed inside. If your modem has a power button, switch it off. If it has a battery backup, remove the battery. Take the Ethernet cable that comes in the box. Connect it from the modem LAN/internet port to the 2.5G WAN internet port on the router. Power on the modem. Wait at least 1 to 2 minutes until lights stabilize. Connect the power adapter. Press the power on button. Wait for the power LED internet LED to turn solid. Open any browser. In the address bar, type tplinkwifi.net or 192.168.0.1. Press Enter. You will now see the TP-Link setup wizard. Create a new admin password. TP-Link will ask you to create a password for the router's admin panel. This is not your Wi-Fi password, it's for logging into the router. Create a strong password, click Next. Choose your internet connection type. First one is dynamic IP, most cable ISPs, e.g., no login needed. The second is PPPoE, common for DSL/fiber connections, requires username password from your ISP. And the third is static IP, if your ISP gave you a fixed IP address. If you're unsure, choose Auto Detect and let the router figure it out. You will now configure your wireless network. For 2.4 GHz band, choose Wi-Fi name, SSID, example, home_Wi-Fi_24, set password minimum 8 characters. For 5 GHz band Wi-Fi name, example, home_Wi-Fi_5G, set password. You can also use the same name for both bands if you want one Wi-Fi network. Click Next. When you click Save/Apply, the router will save all settings, restart Wi-Fi. Take 20 to 30 seconds to come back online. Reconnect your phone/laptop to the new Wi-Fi network names you just created. Now setup is complete successfully. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.